Let me show you I put some of that Zebs barbecue sauce on there. Bam. Then shall we roll. Then shall we.
Shit better than Zebs though. Zebs ain't got none of this sauce.
Right on. I'm gonna put that in a video too.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we put a couple of strips on one of these bones so y'all can see how it's done.
Shit.
See that bone? See them bones? Look, it's perfectly
Why can't you
done
turn
on
this
the
shit up? Turn
side.
this up,
See
nigga.
how it's perfectly done on the side? See how he paused and grabbed the bone? You put them Zebs right on top of that. Boom.
It's fire, boy. Fire.
Right on.
Fire.
Then
Fire. Fire. Yeah.
I can't put it on me. Here.
Too bad you not there.
Do me. Do me.
What the fuck you talking about? Too bad you not here to see this shit.
Can you see it?
Yeah, nigga. This is fire. 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 Fire.
Off the bone.
Yes. Off the ball.
Yeah.